Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and click the notification button for more update. Indeed guys, love is a beautiful thing. So today I came across this, so I thought I should share it with you. They are no longer two, but one flesh. Mafikizolo Nhlanhla Mafu to tidy the knot this weekend. Mafikizolo lead singer Nhlanhla Mafu is getting married again after splitting from her ex-husband TN Nsizza in 2019 following almost 15 years of marriage. The singer has been keeping her current relationship private, but she occasionally shares some cute moments with her partner on social media. On Monday, she revealed on Instagram that she is getting married this weekend. Guys, congratulations to Mafikizolo and her current partner. Indeed, love always wins. So, guys, please do comment, subscribe, and also like. Thank you.